this is a beginner friendly skincare routine. Beginner friendly, I mean something that is cheap, something that is budget friendly, and something that will actually work for you as a beginner. Moisturizers are not meant to be for oily skin because your skin is oily already. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivian here again. I'm a skincare esthetician and I give you reviews on skincare products. I give you cheap products that are good for you. So in this video we're going to be talking about beginner friendly skincare products. So if you're new to skincare and confused on what products to use and when to use them, this video is for you. Skincare doesn't have to be 10 steps and above. Skincare doesn't have to be 1 million steps. Skincare can just be 3 steps, 4 steps, and your skin will still be glowing. So if you're a beginner and you're confused on what to use, this video is for you. I'm going to dive right into the video without wasting time. The first step as a beginner should be your cleanser. Cleansers are meant to be used morning and night. And after making use of your cleanser and your face feels a little bit tight or so tight, just know that the cleanser is too harsh for you and it strips your skin, and you need cleansers for your skin type. So there are so many skin types: oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, combination skin. And if you have an oily skin, let me tell you how to check your skin type, because your skin type determines the products to buy, especially the cleansers to buy. Go into the bathroom, use any soap you see there and wash your face. After washing your face and you wait for 30 minutes, your face feels a little bit tight, you have a dry skin. If after 30 minutes your face feels oily, you touch your face and it's a little bit oily, know that you have an oily skin. After washing your face and you wait 30 minutes and your face doesn't feel any type of way, your face feels totally normal, know that you have a normal skin. Then after washing your face and you feel that your T-zone, this is your T-zone, here is your T-zone, and you notice that your T-zone here and here is oily and your cheeks is dry, just know that you have a combination skin. So go to the bathroom and try out this method, then come back to the video and continue. There are so many types of cleansers to use for each skin type. If you have a dry skin, you need a foaming cleanser. If you have an oily skin, you need a micellar water cleanser or a gel cleanser. Gel cleansers come in form of water, they look like water. Then foaming cleansers, they usually have white color. So choose between these two cleansers the one that is perfect for your skin type. Then cleansers should be used. Cleansers are meant to be used morning and night. By morning and night, I mean in the morning when you want to have a bath, your cleanser should be what you use on your face as your soap. At night also, when you want to have your night bath, your cleanser should be used as your soap. After cleansing your face is meant to feel normal if you're using the right cleanser. I'll recommend 2 cleansers for you. You can get the simple cleanser. This is very good. Simple, they have the foaming cleanser, they have the micellar cleanser, they have the gel cleanser. Get the one that is perfect for your skin type. CeraVe, they also have the gel cleanser, the foaming cleanser, have different types. Also get the one that is perfect for your skin. Simple is way cheaper than CeraVe. They both do the same thing because I have tried the 2 of them. They do the same thing. So get the one that suits your skin type and suits your budget. You don't have to go over your budget because you want to get CeraVe. Go for simple, it is very cheap. Second step is your moisturizer. Moisturizer is just like a lotion for your face. And I know that many of you have been using your body lotions on your face, because when I was in secondary school, I used to use my body lotion on my face and I had no issue with it. But it is totally wrong. It causes you to break out because body lotions are made with a different type of ingredient. They are made with an ingredient that is harsher and thicker than the one for your face. Your face moisturizer is usually made with a more mild ingredients, which is going to suit your face because the face has a more tender texture than your skin. So don't use your body lotion on your face. Moisturizers are meant to be used as your second step. Mind you, this is a beginner friendly skincare routine. Beginner friendly, I mean something that is cheap, something that is budget friendly, and something that will actually work for you as a beginner. So moisturizers are perfect for you. So after cleansing your face, the second step will be your moisturizer. It will keep your skin moisturized. There is something that is going on. Everybody's talking about moisturizers are not meant to be for oily skin because your skin is oily already. Moisturizers are meant for oily skin. It helps your skin if you have an oily skin. It doesn't clog your pore. That is if you use moisturizers that are for your skin type. Let's talk about moisturizers perfect for your skin type. If you have an oily skin, make sure you get a lightweight moisturizer. A lightweight moisturizer is a moisturizer that once you press it out from the bottle, it is very runny. Like it's running. Then a thick moisturizer is perfect for dry skin. Once you press it out from the bottle, it is thick. So these two moisturizers, know the one that is your skin type and grab it and use. Don't use moisturizers that are not for your skin type because it will clog your pores and break you out, especially if you have oily skin. Be careful. If you have an acne prone skin, and most times people with oily skin do have an acne prone skin. If you have an acne prone skin, that is, you usually break out all the time, make sure that your moisturizer is non-comedogenic. Your moisturizer is lightweight. Be certain that it is lightweight and non-comedogenic. You can also get a moisturizer with hypoallergenic. Hypoallergenic is that it doesn't give you allergies. So make sure you look at the bottle, you see there if it is that and that. So I would recommend simple rich moisturizer if you have a dry skin, and simple light moisturizer if you have an oily skin. Simple replenishing rich moisturizer for dry skin. It is not lightweight. Then simple light moisturizer for oily skin. It is lightweight. Try the both of them. It is very cheap. It's not even more than 6,000 naira. So the final step now is your sunscreen. This is the most important one, and most times sunscreen tend to be oily or moisturizing, or it's just there. So make sure that your sunscreen is perfect for your skin type. So I would recommend Skin Aqua sunscreen or Aqua Misha sunscreen. You can get Nivea sunscreen also. These three sunscreen, I have used them and they are good. They are budget friendly. Please don't use Dr. Rachel sunscreen because it doesn't leave a white cast, yes, but once you sweat, you will have white sweat running down your face. I've tried it and that is why I tell you it is not good for you. Sunscreens are the most important step in your skincare routine. That is, like, if you decide not to use your cleanser and your moisturizer, make sure there's sunscreen on your face. And make sure you use it every morning. Make sure sunscreen is on your face every morning. It helps prevent you from aging. It helps protect you from sunburn. It helps protect you from hyperpigmentation. It helps protect you from so many things that you don't even know. Melasma, hypopigmentation. So sunscreen is just like the goat of all skincare products. And your sunscreen, let's say sunscreens are not usually skin type based. Yeah, it is, but not usually. So I'm gonna list few sunscreens and the skin type because I have tried them and I feel it is a little bit greasy for me or a little bit dry for me. Now, if you have a dry skin, these sunscreens are good for you. Number one, Aqua Misha sunscreen. Aqua Misha, the blue one. It is very good for dry skin because it feels oily on the skin after application. Secondly, Topic Creme sunscreen. It is good for also dry skin. Thirdly, the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. That one is good for all skin types. It doesn't feel too greasy, doesn't feel too dry on the skin. Then let's talk about oily skin. If you have an oily skin, the Skin Aqua sunscreen is perfect for you. The Beauty of Joseon sunscreen is perfect. That one is over perfect for you. I didn't really like it, even though everybody liked it. Beauty of Joseon is perfect for you. Okay, Bali body sunscreen is also good for you if you have a dry skin because it feels greasy on the skin, and so many more. So when you're trying to cut costs on cleansers and moisturizers, make sure you're not trying to cut costs on sunscreen. These three routines I mentioned, moisturizer, sunscreen, and cleanser, would not and should not be more than 25,000 naira. That is a 25. Should not be more than 20,000 naira. Yes. There are places you can get it. You can also send me a DM. I have a plug for you to get cheap and affordable skincare products. That is by the way. But if you're trying to level up your skincare routine, let's say you are on a budget, but then your budget can be a little bit flexible, let's say 30,000, 35,000 naira, then you can go for serums. If you have an acne prone skin or oily skin, I don't recommend you use a vitamin C serum. But if you have a normal skin, no pimple, no acne, nothing on your skin, vitamin C serums are very good. They help they are antioxidants, and antioxidants protect you from both the sun, protects you from so many skin issues. But if you have an acne prone skin, and you put vitamin C on your skin, vitamin C dealt with my skin, it's not good for my skin. My skin is not really acne prone, but then anytime I use vitamin C, it's never ever good for my skin. So make sure that you're not using vitamin C if you're not sure of your skin. If your skin is confusing, don't use vitamin C. Now, the second serum I would recommend is a niacinamide serum. Niacinamide is usually safe for all skin types. That is if you use a lower percentage. So you can go for the balanced niacinamide serum. You can go for the good molecules niacinamide serum. This one is my personal favorite, but the budget, the price is not here. So I would recommend the balanced niacinamide serum. Now let me break down this routine into morning routine and night routine. Morning routine, first step, cleanser. After cleansing your face, wait for 1 minute. Second step, moisturizer. After moisturizing your face, wait for 1 minute. Third step, sunscreen. Then after using your sunscreen, you can wait for 15 minutes before you step out of the sun, or if you're going to be at home, that is fine. Night routine. First step, cleanse your face. After cleansing your face, you wait for 1 minute. Second step, if you have serum, use your serum. Serums, I prefer using serums at night if they are not vitamin C serums. So if you're using a vitamin C serum, morning is better. It works better with your sunscreen. The third step, your moisturizer. Make sure you wait 1 minute after each step. It helps the other step to absorb, so that you don't pack everything on your face all at once. Then the final step, the final step is your moisturizer, because at night routine you don't need sunscreen, the sun is not out. Then you wait for 1 hour to 2 hours before you go to bed, because if you go to bed immediately, you're going to rub everything you applied on your face or your pillow. Wait, then to absorb, use your Vaseline on your lips, then go to bed. Is that clear? Remember, you don't need 10 products to show results. You don't need 10 products to see results on your face. Consistency is better. Consistency pays. Consistency will get your skin looking from pizza skin to looking like a glass Korean girl skin. So when you're done with this routine and your skin is feeling a little bit better and you have money on your hand, that is when you can now improve and climb and start using all other products. But for now, this routine will help your skin a lot. If you're not sure of the products that are good for your skin, drop a DM for me, or you can DM me on TikTok, you can DM me on Instagram, anywhere, and I'm going to recommend products that are good for you. I am going to recommend it according to your skin type, or you can drop a comment under my comment section and I'm going to recommend products good for you. Don't just go off TikTok, you just see anything you buy, you just see any product an influencer influences, you rush and buy. Most times they are paid to influence these products, and if they don't influence it, they will not get paid. And after using it for that video, they won't use it again. So try as much as possible to not buy products off TikTok or recommend products for yourself. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you've gotten to the end of this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It keeps me going, it gives me the strength to keep on making videos, and give me a thumbs up and share. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much, my old viewers, my old subscribers. You all are the best. You all make me happy. You all make me keep living life.